What is going on, everyone? My name is Brab and thank you all for watching today's video. In this video we will be discussing the latest news regarding Bitcoin and altcoins. Do not forget to subscribe, we will be posting daily on X and 2 or more videos a week on YouTube. What is up, guys? So Bitcoin is going down still. It's gonna go down, it's going down further, and we're all not liking it, unless you're shorting, of course. So yeah, looking at the chart right here, this was a triangle formation that I drew like a couple of days ago. I posted it here on the Twitter. This is the triangle formation. We will break down now and go towards 52k. But looking at this triangle, actually, we can actually adjust it a little bit and see something completely different. So if we take these highs instead of these lows and put it up right here, you can actually see that we have some sort of triangle which has already been retested on the way up and turns out to be resistance up here. After that we broke down to lower prices. So if we draw it like this, it's, in my opinion, more likely that this is a confirmed retest of this level, which means that this pattern will play out. So we will see lower prices, it won't be a fake out, and we will go towards 50k, 52k. If we draw it like this line is also a little bit lower, so we could actually see more downside towards 48, 49k, even though I do not think that will happen, because this is a massive support level at around 50 to 52k. So in my opinion, it's very unlikely that we'll see prices lower than 50, like 49, 48 in the near future. This level this is also still a big support level right here, but we have this nice gap between these candles right here, which could get filled up with a wick. We could obviously see tomorrow, if we hold this level, tomorrow we might be able to see a candle that's gonna go down like this, take out all this liquidity, and then wick up, and maybe in the most bullish case close above this level right here. If you would ask me what kind of percentage I think this would play out, in my opinion this would be like a 15% chance that this plays out. Then we have the other scenario where we establish support here and go up. That might be a 30% chance, and then going down to 52k right here before going up. In my opinion, this is the biggest chance of happening, with like 55%, something like that. 50% of happening this, and like 50% of just taking out these lows and going up, in my opinion. Of course, it's only speculation and it's not financial advice, so always do your own research. It's just what I think, with my experience being in this space for quite a few years, looking back at some different time zones from the past. So yeah, that's how I get these percentages. Don't take my word for it, always do your own research. Of course, with Bitcoin going down, the altcoins are not looking good. They are suffering, of course, way more than Bitcoin is. Even though Solana had a nice pump, all the pump is erased. So in yesterday's video, or not yesterday's, but in the last video, I said that you should take some profit, because we already were up like 15 to 20% if you took a trade when I told you so. So yeah, hopefully if anyone listened, you did it. Otherwise, now you're sitting at break even, I think. So yeah, I don't know if this is a good time to go with altcoins. I think we need to wait a little bit longer till we see Bitcoin establish support either here or there, and then we'll see some altcoin action going up for that. But now there's a lot of uncertainty with Bitcoin, so also altcoins have no idea what's gonna go with the price. So if we break down for Bitcoin, altcoin's gonna go down way more. That's just how it is with altcoins. So in my opinion, just wait until we establish a bit of a range with support for Bitcoin, and then after that we can look to invest in altcoins again. Looking at the Bitcoin ETF flow model, we can actually see that after having some nice inflows, topping out with 130 million, we saw 2 red days after each other. We had a 13 million outflow and a 20.5 million outflow. which is obviously not the type of numbers you want to see. Still, BlackRock is not having any outflows, so that's still quite bullish. Also, we can see that Grayscale has been selling a bit more here and there, so we can expect Grayscale to maybe sell more of their Bitcoin. So after hearing about the ETF of Ethereum being delayed until end of July, it's now expected to launch at July 15th. Bloomberg analyst says. So that's very bullish. Also, we have Solana, another ETF applying for Solana. This time it's by BlackRock, so it's not a small one. It's the biggest fish in the room. They're coming after Solana, so hopefully we can see a Solana ETF approved as well by end of this year. That would be mega bullish for the space. Also for smaller altcoins, it would be very bullish. We'll see what will come out of this. And looking at Solana chart, hopefully we can hold this level right here at $136. As I said, I told you to get in right here. You would have made some profit. If you hold this position, you will still be in profit just looking at it. So that's very good. Still, the ETF of Solana will probably spike some more price action. So I will be looking into scaling more into Solana. Maybe selling some Bitcoin when Bitcoin goes higher to buy Solana. But for now, I'm holding on to my Bitcoin and my render. I still have a lot of render, so hopefully that's gonna do good. Looking at render right now, it seemed to be performing just average, not that bad. So render is now at a nice buying zone, in my opinion. So I'm always scaling into render, especially at these levels, because I still think that render is one of the best protocol, one of the best projects there is. Looking at Nvidia, it's basically better than Nvidia, but the market cap is so much smaller, so there's so much more potential to grow. So hopefully we can see this go to the moon, maybe hit $100 in 2030. For this bull run, my target of render is about $35 to $50 each. So hopefully we can hit those. That would still be like a 7 to 8x, 6 to 8x from this point. So let's see if it happens. Anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for following the Twitter. We are currently at 65 followers on X. Thank you so much for following. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.